Hey guys, what's up? Good morning, YouTube. I'm gonna eat bananas for an entire week as a challenge. You guys, I like challenges. So what's gonna happen? It's gonna happen. I don't know. Let's see. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Bananas, bananas, bananas. I'm gonna eat bananas for an entire 7 days. I'm gonna continue my normal routine as far as taking my supplements, any type of supplements that I do take. I'm going to continue to do my any type of exercise that I do. Any type of exercise that I do, I'm gonna do it. So yeah, but I'm still gonna eat bananas for an entire week. Nothing but bananas. I am gonna drink coffee if I feel like drinking coffee. I am gonna drink Powerade if I feel like drinking Powerade or whatever. Green bananas. If they have any, so they can last me a couple of days. I picked up a few bananas. Yeah, it's going on 9 o'clock and I haven't ate yet. Sometimes I'll wait until like 11 o'clock to eat. Sometimes I eat a couple hours after I get up. It really depends. I don't have no schedule when I eat, really. But I did just have a coffee, and this right here is probably gonna be gone today. Yeah, this bunch. How many is this? That is 7 bananas. Oh yeah, that's probably gonna be gone today. I got these, so got them green because I don't want them to be bad. This is probably for tomorrow. Another 7. And some this in the middle. So yeah, this is about 2 or 3 days. I know it seems like a lot, but keep in mind that I do work out every day, like at least 3 to 4 times a week. So I have a big appetite. So keep in mind. Day 1 of me eating bananas. This is my first banana of today. It's pretty late. I just had so much to do this morning, so I'm starting really late. But first banana, breakfast, and I have another banana right there because I know this one banana is not going to do it for me. So I'm really hungry, obviously, because it's going on. It's 11:55 and I'm just now eating. I'm pretty sure I'm going to eat at least 5 bananas today. Yeah, at least 5 bananas because I still have to work out. As you guys can see, I'm in my workout clothes, but I'm going to do some work. Pre-workout, still day number 1. It's about, what time is it? Oh, it's only 3:30? Anyways, 3:30. And I'm about to go work out. Pre-workout meal. Let's go. Anyway, day 2 of eating only bananas. One banana. I'm just started on day 2. I'm bloated and I don't know if it's from eating 10 bananas yesterday or is it because Unflow came to visit me today. Well, I don't usually bloat on the first day, so I'm gonna say it's from the bananas. I'm like extremely bloated. Like, let me continue to work. One, two, the one I'm eating now. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bananas for today. I am starving on my 3rd day and my stomach feels weird. It doesn't hurt, it just feels empty. It feels empty. 4 more days to go. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do this. Oh. It's my 4th day, you guys. It's early in the morning, so still got another whole 4 days to complete. But I'm walking outside. It's not as early as I typically walk, and the sun is beaming. Back, about to have my post-workout meal. Yeah. Delicious. Editing Anita Renee second half. I didn't tell you guys what happened at the end of this challenge. Well, I ate bananas for an entire 7 days. I believe I have some pictures or clips or whatever of how much I weigh. I don't know if that's important or not, but I believe, no. I'm not gonna tell you my weight because that's not important.
I was not trying to lose weight or anything. I was just trying to see what would happen. You know, see how my insides feel, see how my outside look. You know, just wanted to check and see. Anyway, did not have a bowel movement for did have one, but I'm usually regular, but I had like 2 bowel movements the entire 7 days. And after I got off the challenge, not a regular bowel movement. So I can tell you that like eating bananas for an entire 7 days was not good for my digestive system. It was not good at all. But I had a little energy, but not much, because I was still drinking, you know, my energy drinks. I was drinking coffee. And it took 7 days later for me to have a regular bowel movement again. I don't know what's up with that. I don't know what's in bananas that will stop you up. You know, I don't know. But anyway, yeah, I ate bananas breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I had fried bananas. I had baked bananas. I had air fried bananas. I had regular bananas. I think I ate at least, I thought I was going to eat 5 bananas a day. I think the first day I had 8 bananas, made ice cream out of bananas. I can say, yes, at the end of it, I did lose a couple pounds, but that was not the goal at all. I completed my challenge of eating just bananas for an entire week. I don't recommend it at all, because I felt like I did feel sluggish sometimes when I wasn't drinking any energy drink or anything like that. I felt sluggish and I felt weird. My stomach felt weird. It was just weird. So yeah, that was the end result. Like ice cream. Ice cream.